So let's look at the ingredients first. First ingredient is maida and butter. I'm using salted butter, but if you're not using salted butter, you need to add a pinch of salt. Since I'm using salted butter, I won't be adding any salt. And of course sugar, strawberry preserve, strawberry jam. Any jam should go fine. It's your choice what jam you want to use. And the main ingredient is custard powder. It's available in any Indian shop. I like Brown and Pulson. You can use any brand you want. And of course baking powder. And the last ingredient is the milk. So let's see how to make this. Okay, let's mix everything together. Detailed measurements and instructions will be given below in the description box if you want to check them out. We are using 1 cup of the flour. We'll dump it into the bowl. And if you are using unsalted butter, add a pinch of salt. And the next ingredient is baking powder. We need 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Sumi, help it. This is 1 teaspoon. We'll add half teaspoon. Mix it nicely. Take a whisk and mix it nicely. Let's see how to make this. We are adding sugar to 1 bowl. We are going to add 7 tablespoons of butter. That is half stick of butter. Is actually 8 tablespoons. So we'll save 1 tablespoon and add 7 tablespoons of butter. I added butter, sugar, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk. You just need to shake chestunu. We'll use our hand mixer to mix all these ingredients. Cream it until it's nice and creamy. It's nice and creamy. We'll add our flour mixture. I added the entire flour mixture. We are just going to mix until it forms a crumble. Now that it's mixed in, we are adding our last ingredient, 1/3 cup of custard powder. And mix it in and we'll take it off. Use your hands to form a soft dough.
I'll hold it.
I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees. While the oven is preheating, I'll make my cookies. I have the baking tray ready lined with parchment and my dough ready and my jam ready. So let's make these cookies. We are going to break the dough into small balls, this size balls. I have the small dough balls ready. Let's make the cookies. Just do this, press it, and with your thumb press exactly in the middle. There we go. And place it. Another one, round, press slightly and with your thumb go inside. There we go. I'll make all these balls like that and then show you. we have all our dough balls ready. We are going to put the jam in exactly in the indent
Hole?
Yeah. Just press it in slowly and do it for everything. You don't need that much jam. Sure.
That's enough? That's exactly how much I had before. Were you saying that because it was dripping on the sides?
Yeah. There we have it, guys. Look how beautiful they look with the jam. You can just put like this in the oven, but we are going to top it with sprinkles just because my daughter wants to. So we'll go in with the sprinkles. Let's see how they turn out. Okay, go ahead. Okay, it's not catching up. That's okay. Let's put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Keep watching it, guys, and then we'll take it out.
Good?
Exactly for 15 minutes. Look how beautiful they look with the sprinkles. Okay, let's bake them for exactly 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and they just came out of the oven. Let them cool down completely and then store it in the airtight container for a week. It won't last for a week because they are so good, and they will crisp up while cooling. So don't worry if they didn't crisp up. Look here, they are little bit crisper, but they will crisp up once they are cool, completely cool. So if you try this recipe, please don't forget to leave me a comment that if whether it worked for you or not. I would love to hear from you, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to get more recipes and more good stuff to you. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.